Paperboy, evening TV. Everywhere you look, there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, there's a face of somebody who needs you. Everywhere you look, when you're lost out there and you're all alone, life is waiting to carry you home. Everywhere you look, everywhere you look.
Hey guys, it's Gracie. I'm here this week to tell you guys that I will be traveling to Africa. I'm really excited and I'm gonna be vlogging my trip, so just be sure to stay updated and watch my videos. Thanks. So now I'm on my way to the doctor because I hear that you can get like a lot of diseases in Africa, so I should probably learn what it is to look out for those. Okay, I'm in the waiting room at the doctor's office and I'm just waiting to see the doctor.
The doctor will see you now. Please follow me.
Okay. Oh, I think I see the doctor.
Hello, I'm Dr. Mitchell.
Okay. So I'm going to South Africa for a month for my vlogging trip. And I know that there's a bunch of diseases that I could possibly get, so I just wanted to know what those were.
Well, there's a lot of diseases you can catch for sure, but one of the most dangerous ones that you definitely have to look out for is tuberculosis. Tuberculosis, or TB as it's often called, is an infectious disease caused by the bacterium Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It generally affects the lungs, but can also affect other parts of the body. Tuberculosis is unlike most other diseases, however, in that most infections do not have symptoms. In this case, it's called latent tuberculosis. About 10% of infections progress to active tuberculosis disease. Though there's many treatments for it, if left untreated, it kills about half the people it infects.
Yikes, what are some of the symptoms?
Well, some of the classic symptoms of active tuberculosis are chronic cough with blood-containing sputum, fever, night sweats, and weight loss. So it's not a fun disease, certainly.
No. Well, I'll have to be careful not to catch it.
That's for sure.
What should I do to protect myself?
Well, tuberculosis is airborne, so it's spread through the air when people who have active TB in their lungs cough, spit, sneeze, or speak. But don't worry about people with latent tuberculosis. They can't spread the disease. I should let you know that an active infection occurs more often with people with HIV and AIDS, and in those who smoke. So just try not to be around people who you suspect might have it, or maybe wear a face mask when you're talking with people, because you never know. And just try not to breathe in air containing sputum.
Oh.
Especially if it's blood sputum.
Oh, okay.
No blood.
If someone did get it, how would I know that they were infected?
Well, there's a pretty extensive diagnostic procedure. Active tuberculosis requires a chest x-ray, as well as a microscopic examination and culture of body fluids, whereas diagnosis of latent tuberculosis requires a tuberculin skin test or blood test.
Okay, now that I know a little bit about it, why is it so widespread in Africa when you hardly hear about it here in America?
Well, it's an unfortunate combo of the lower sanitary conditions in Africa, the higher population density, and the higher rates of human immunodeficiency virus, or HIV, which actually highly increases the chances of latent tuberculosis becoming active tuberculosis because it suppresses your immune system's ability to fight the bacterium.
Okay, well, thank you for the info, Dr. Mitchell. I'm off to Africa, and I'll make sure to stay safe there.
No problem. Glad to have you.
All right, so now I'm heading to the airport.
Bye,
Bye,
Gracie.
Doc!
Good appointment. Don't catch tuberculosis. Remember, it's airborne.
Cool! All right, I am about to get on the plane. Okay, so I just landed in Africa. It is so beautiful here. Just look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at the sun. Oh, it's so beautiful here. Oh my gosh, I see some people. I'm gonna go talk to the locals. Oh, that's kind of gross. Oh no, not tuberculosis. Hey guys, it's my last day in Africa. I've had a really good time, but I have to say, you know, I'm not feeling so great. I have kind of a fever, chest pain. I'm just overall not feeling very well. Oh look, some locals. Oh, that's kind of weird. Everyone here is coughing. Okay, it is my first day back at school, and I'm thinking, since, you know, my friends haven't seen me in a while, I'm gonna pull a prank on them and pretend to sneeze in their face, just for fun. There's Zoe! Zoe!
How was Africa?
Gross! Friend Anthony, we're best friends.
God,
oh my god! Oh my god!
Crazy, what the heck, dude?
I don't know, sorry. I really hope I don't accidentally spread tuberculosis, which I may or may not have, to the whole school.
Wow, Gracie, you're such a good prankster.
Wow, I want to be just like you.
My friend Ethan is picking me up.
So, how was your trip?
It was good. I had a lot of fun in Africa and I met some pretty cool people, but it was kind of weird. They were all like coughing.
Oh, that's weird. Dude, are you okay?
I don't know. I'm not feeling that well.
Should we go to the doctor?
Maybe. I mean, I've had a fever and I've been coughing. Yeah, maybe we should go to the doctor.
You know, we should just go for good measure. Let's go
Yeah.
to the doctor.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, so Ethan took me to the doctor and we're just here to make sure that everything's all good. Oh, I think the nurse is here.
Okay, I'm ready to take you back now.
Don't die.
So, what are your symptoms?
Well, I've just been coughing a lot. I have a fever, night sweats, and I've noticed some weight loss.
Okay, now that I know your symptoms, we're gonna run some tests. We're gonna take a chest x-ray and I'm gonna take some blood.
Okay.
Okay. So I have your result and it turns out you actually have jungle fever. Kidding, you have tuberculosis.
No.
Yeah, we're gonna have to put you in quarantine and anyone you've come in contact with.
Oh no. Okay, so we're in quarantine and it's really fun.
Doc, I don't know why I have to be here. I don't have any symptoms.
Well, so you still do have the germs in your body. Just when you were initially infected by Gracie, your body encapsulated them in something called tubercules. And so you still do have the germ and you have to treat that so it doesn't become active tuberculosis.
Screw you, Gracie.
Yeah.
How is active tuberculosis different from latent tuberculosis?
Well, in Africa, you initially did catch latent tuberculosis, but because of your weak immune system, probably because of your weak will, you caught active tuberculosis. Basically, your immune system wasn't able to suppress those tubercules, and so now the bacteria is out in your lungs, and it's destroying the tissue. And if it keeps going, if you don't treat it, it could create holes in the lungs and cause many other problems. But the symptoms are currently because the bacteria is free and is infecting your lungs.
Okay.
Okay, now that I've explained the disease to you, I will leave Nurse Zoe to help administer the treatment, which is just an antibiotic course. Goodbye.
Okay, so I'm going to give the people with latent tuberculosis rifapentine, and that takes 3 months to fully take effect in latent carriers, and you have to take the medicine once a week. And I'm going to give people with TB, EMB, and PCA to get rid of the virus. It takes longer to get rid of, and you have to take it once a week for 18 months.
Oh my gosh, that's such a long time.
Okay, and when you're taking the drug, you have to be very careful not to sneeze or cough around anyone, so just be sure to cover your mouth so you don't spread it to anyone else.
Okay. So it's been a couple months. Ethan and I are doing a lot better. We're still in quarantine, but it's fine.
It's for you.
Hey guys, stop!
Chrissy, you gotta do your part!
Are you filming me? Ethan, you don't know how to write English. Down with the disease every year. So I don't know if you just stole that off a Wikipedia page or something, but it doesn't.
Anthony, it doesn't matter!
Yes, it does though.
No, it doesn't. We just, if you can read it, like there's like 2 words missing. There's literally 2 words missing. Why can't you?
Well,
You
I've
just
never
like
read this
fill
before.
them in.
Never read this before.
Well, then don't get mad at me for not reading the script if you've never read the research.
It's kind of fair.
Yes, it
Maybe we
is
should
fair.
do it. Maybe we should do it.
Wait, why?
Gracie! Gracie, you're so dumb!
It is so.
In there
Anthony.
Before you get out of frame. Stop filming!
Okay, Anthony, stop! What?
Gracie, stop filming me.
Please drive away from the sun.
God, you dummy. That wasn't me, that was you.
Wait.
Oh my god, put the on the dash!
Trying!
Germs in your body, and that's why you don't have any symptoms that make you look sick, because the germs are not active.
Wrong. You don't have germs in your body.